OptiBreaker is developed for market leaders, the most advanced egg breaking technology in the egg industry, highest production yield, best in class separating techniques, highly hygienic system. There is nothing better. The Lenovo OptiBreaker Plus series is the most advanced egg breaking technology in the industry, developed for liquid egg processing market leaders. It is the result of close to 70 years of egg processing experience and collaboration with leading producers all over the world. The 18-row egg-breaking compartment with 324 optimized cracker units serves 648 receiving and separation cups of liquid egg at an optimal long training time. Cam-controlled breaker bars ensure the best separation results. Product outlets are installed at the bottom of the machine, storing the valuable liquid eggs, while empty eggshells are ejected via the built-in sanitary screw. The machine speed is controlled by the efficient frequency inverter. Naturally, the Plus provides a standard integrated CIP, means cleaning in place system, reducing manpower for machine cleaning. There is nothing better the OptiBreaker series in your solution for world-class egg processing operations.